Guys, Lockie this here. Today I was doing a little walk around 1 Eagle Street to have a look at it again. Haven't been in it for a little while, well, since a few days ago, to be honest. But I'm just gonna go there now and check it out, which will be pretty nice. There it is there. That's the tall building. Go have a look. Really nice big building. I'm gonna go to the wheelchair lift. Get the 5400 AP. Here that takes. I don't know if it's locked though. It might be. It's not locked. Good. Here's the 5400 AP. Slide door. Dewhurst one. Pretty start. 5400 AP, they're pretty nice. Better than 3300s. It's like the 5500 of 2000 and like the early 2000s. So look at the motor. Okay, let's have a look around here. Very nice. Here's a wheelchair lift. Don't mind. Here's a wheelchair lift. I think this is a 5400 AP as well. Instead, it has, what's it called? Micro switch buttons. Yeah, definitely. A 5400 AP. Ground floor. Let's go to lobby. Yeah, it was 5 apparently. Echoey. Motor. Seen a shaft? Yeah, you can. Oh. Here's some. Let's go to the tall ones. Park here. Look at this massive. Here we go, up the massive building. One of those. Ready? Look at those massive tracks. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Whee! This feels so nice. Wow, my ears. Look at that, you can see on top of the building. It's crazy. Here we are, 54, I think. Wow. Oh, this is any car. Holy moly, that's fast. Look at that. Oh, look down. Holy. Look at that. There's a Sofitel, look how small it looks. Heritage Bank. Oh. Is that Queen's Wharf? No, it's not. The Tilshire Building. Oh, you can see the Roma Street Station. There's an NGR parked. 12:24. They're gonna clock. Look at that. Imagine staying this high in a hotel with a balcony. Oh, yeah. non-glass one.
Level 54.
Level 54.
Going down.
Wow. If anything, it's nice because it's not glass and you can't see how fast you're going. I actually want to measure the speed of this. 111. Lobby. Lobby floor. Why am I zoomed in so much? There you go. Renaissance. It's like we're in the Gold Coast.
Car H.
So we've got floor 30, which is where we're staying in a hotel. Chevron Renaissance. And floor 30. So there's no front desk at floor 30. These ones shouldn't be as fast, maybe. A little bit slower, but not much. Maybe 3 meters a second? Or 4? No indicators? Very big cab. Here we are, full 30. There's a service lift. It's like some big service lift. Ooh, what's this? Please identify yourself. Okay. Okay. Can you see how high we are? We're pretty high. Not as high as the other ones though.
This group serves floor lobby. Please press again when you hear your destination.
Car H. At least not like Compass Otis. Compass Plus for Otis, it doesn't stay open for so long. Because that Compass Plus stays open until for like 40 seconds. Even if the door closes, it doesn't close. Lift H. Wow, 1,650. So it's pretty much Centrepoint's weight. More plus the cab, because it's still probably going to be more.